Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'm going to show you how you can identify best-selling t-shirt designs or product designs in general for print-on-demand, for Amazon merch, for different marketplaces. Now I normally do this with Flying Research. This is a print-on-demand research tool, and I mainly do this video because I had a few comments in the comment section of you guys in one of the recent videos. I think someone asked for French best-selling designs, just to take a look at how you can identify these. We're going to do that today, but I'm not only going to do that for France, we're also going to have a look at German, Spanish and Italian best-selling designs, because normally everybody's having a look at the Amazon.com designs, but I think it's always sometimes useful to compare this to best-selling designs on other platforms, on other marketplaces, so that you can get an idea. You know, for example, there might be a bestseller in Germany that you could, for example, take and modify and change, make it your own, and then sell on the US marketplace. You know, could be one possibility, because if someone has an idea in Germany, that doesn't necessarily already mean that it's already on the US marketplace. But you never know. So let's have a quick look. I'm just going to show you how this Flying Research tool works. So under bestsellers here, I mean, there are many more ways to do it. This is not a video about, you know, how you do thorough research. We just want to have a look at a few of the bestsellers, and I'm going to show you how you can identify these. So when you click on bestsellers here on the left hand side, you can obviously, if you want to search for a certain niche, you can click or enter that search term here, and then it will give you all the designs for just a certain niche. But what you can do is, if you leave it blank, you can see all the best-selling designs. But what you can also do, you can also select for reviews, so you can see the t-shirt designs or generally designs that have most reviews. I mean, look at this one. They've done really well. They've done really well. Review. You can also select a price, newest, oldest, random. It's a good way to identify the newest designs as well, just to get an idea of, you know, maybe if you can identify one that you like and you can make it your own or get inspired. I'd never recommend that you copy. By the way, you know, you can straight away see that some of these will never make it into the best-selling designs. I mean, the Planned Parenthood, I mean, it is a niche that is selling, but the text is very small and it's not very easily readable. But yeah, I'm not gonna show you the newest designs, didn't really want to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on BSR, because that is useful, because that tells you or gives you all the designs with the highest bestseller, or the lowest bestseller rank actually. Lowest bestseller rank means most sales, and actually what you can do, you can also do some extended advanced research here, so you can actually select the ones only with a good rating. I've never seen that before. I think that is quite new. I might be wrong, but you can also hide brands, which is useful. Someone asked that in a previous video. So if, for example, you want to exclude all like the trademarked Disney designs or Warner Brothers or whatever, you can just hide a brand here, or hide generic brands. So that is useful. What you can do, you can also BSR range, you can select that and make it a bit smaller, because, you know, there's no point in searching for like BSR 2,500,000. So we might want to have a look at 1 to 500,000 or something. And then we click on search, but we don't want to have a look at US. Maybe we'll have a quick look through so you can get an idea of what is currently selling on the US marketplace. But yeah, I'm not gonna scroll through all of them here, because this is about, let's take a look. Let's start with France. And yeah, I can't speak French very well. Had it in school, but I guess to read a t-shirt design you don't need extensive French skills, but maybe you do. So just to give you an idea, you know, how these look, they look actually quite similar to the ones on the US marketplace, and I'm not surprised, because I guess if you have a best-selling design on the US marketplace, you will probably convert it into different languages. Yeah, and you probably remember this one from the US marketplace with the fishing design. I mean, someone create that with a tractor. And you know, that's an easy way. You can now go into different niches. You can recreate that, do it for whatever, a jet ski, for surfing, for cats, for whatever. But yeah, you get an idea of the design, and you know, generally what is selling in France, I guess, is also selling in the US, and the other way around. Obviously, these are all French, aren't they? They're all French speaking, French language, which is fine. But just gives you an idea that, yeah, there are people who just want to buy t-shirt designs in their own language, which is fine. But generally, if you have a look through these here, they are all basically, in my opinion, they are the same ones or very similar to the ones that you can see on the US marketplace. So either someone has copied them, or it's the person who's actually selling them on the US marketplace and they have just translated them. I guess I would say many of these are probably just copies, but you never know. I don't want to say anything here which is wrong, so just my point of view. But yeah, it gives you an idea what's selling in France. If you're in France, you can now use the information. Obviously, you can just stop here and take a few pictures and you know, get an idea of what's actually selling, get an idea of the niches, and get into some of these profitable niches yourself. Actually, need to go up a little bit, because I actually scrolled down quite a bit. So yeah, these gaming ones, they're always selling. They are quite popular, but there's also quite a lot of competition. So need to be aware of that. Obviously, I can't really read them out here because, yeah, I'm not great in French. But it's interesting that some of them only have a design; they don't have a text. Yeah, so this is French. I guess we can also have a quick look at the potentially the German marketplace. If you want to see the Spanish and the Italian one, maybe in the next video, just put it into the comment section, and then we can have a look through that and just see how that differs to the US marketplace and the French and the German one. Okay, and so yeah, as I said, we just go up again, and we're gonna have a look and click on Germany. Now it's easy for me because I'm German, but I guess for some of you guys it's just about seeing the design, and then we can see straight away it's a different Pluto design compared to the one on the US marketplace, which is one of the best sellers there. Obviously, this is not a German speaking design, but you can see that in Germany, for example, some other designs are actually selling well. And most of these are actually in German as well. I always see this one here that's been up for a while now, and it just says that basically, watch out, I'm now too. It's quite a funny design though. Haven't seen that on the US marketplace yet. I'm sure it's there somewhere, but there's a graduation one from a primary school. And yeah, this one here you could see on the US marketplace as well, but it's now translated in German. So that's how you can see, you know, if you that's the advantage if you're like, you know, if you speak 2 or 3 languages, and then you could identify some in your own mother tongue and then convert them to other languages. Obviously change them. Please don't just copy that design. That's quite funny. Which part of this you don't understand? That's quite funny. Yeah, so I hope that was useful. Just really to give you an idea how easy it actually is to identify bestsellers of different in different countries and how they differ. To be honest, I don't see a major difference, but it's just interesting that obviously in the countries like Germany and France, the bestsellers are actually in that language as well. I would have thought that in countries like Germany and France, you would also be selling quite a few, let's say, English-speaking designs, but maybe not. And just some good information here. Yeah, so let me know if you want to see something similar going forward as well. Hope you liked it. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.